Is SynoGut available in New Zealand? Unfortunately, you won't find SynoGut in retail location stores and chemist shops in New Zealand. The supplement is neither accessible at Amazon, eBay, or Chemist Warehouse. The manufacturers made it clear that SynoGut is only available via the official website. You can access SynoGut's official website down below in the description or first comment. If SynoGut is available somewhere other than the official website, then it's not the authentic version. The manufacturers made sure that the buyers get a unique and authentic formula and not some imitation variant from fraudsters. No matter where you live, Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, Hamilton, make sure you only go to the official website to place your purchase before it sells out if you want to get SynoGut at a discounted price. So if you live in New Zealand, it's currently available in stock and can be ordered online for immediate delivery to your home, but you can only find it on the official website. That's because the company does not have any certified dealer partners or retailers for its sale. This is a very important distinction to know upfront, as anyone ordering SynoGut from New Zealand should be fully aware that it is only available on the official website and nowhere else online. Click the link down below in the description or first comment to access SynoGut's official website. The best price is available now while supplies last.